Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something I'm really excited about. I'm sure you guys know from the title of this video what it is, but back when I was doing all of my eyeshadow palettes and I was talking about my Nomad palettes, I said there was a palette I wish I had picked up, and it's from a few years ago before I was purchasing Nomad. I wasn't purchasing from Nomad back then. They came out with a palette and it was called Haunted Europe, and it was limited edition, and I didn't get it. I've been looking on Mercari and on Poshmark, and people want a lot of money for their old Nomad Haunted Europe palettes. And so right after I finished filming that video and was editing and starting to put the videos up, I get an email from Nomad stating they are bringing back Ghost Town, which apparently was limited edition. I didn't know that. But they were bringing back Ghost Town and Haunted Europe for the spooky season. And I'm like, here we go. So of course, I had to buy it. So here it is. So today, we're going to swatch this and do an eye look with it. I've done my makeup all but my eyes, and I just have some lip oil on my lips. Let me get this box open if I can without messing it up. There we go. Now let me show you this palette first. It also, like the Ghost Town palette, it has a lenticular cover. So, there we go. I think you can tell. Let me make sure. Yeah. So it's a lady, a kind of Victorian looking lady, and then it's the lady's got a cover, like a veil over her face, and she's holding a skull. So there we go. I'm a sucker for packaging. If you didn't know that already, I'm sure you did. Here are the colors. They are so pretty. Very Halloween. This is very Halloween, I think. And so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a page from my friend Aiden. She swatches everything on her hand. So I'm going to swatch this on my hand and I'll be right back. Okay, there are all the shades on my hand. I like that. Here they are. The mattes are creamy. The metallics are shiny. Some standouts for me, I really like this Highgate Cemetery. That is that one right there. Highgate Cemetery. That one is really pretty. I will take a close-up of this. I'll film a little close-up of this palette, and you can see we've got Mary King's Close, Huska's Castle, Highgate Cemetery, Hoya Bacchus Forest, I know I butchered that, Ghost River, Bloody Mary, Boogeyman, Frankenstein, Grendel, Big Bad Wolf, Krampus, Count Dracula, The Catacombs, Dragsholm Castle, Mary Cemetery, Black Forest, Braun Castle, and Spandau Citadel. Oh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Nice. Nice, nice. I like those. I can't wait to put these on my eyes, so that's what we're going to do now. Let's get them off my hand first, so I don't get them everywhere. The darker shades did stain my fingers, just to let you know, but they came off really easy with a makeup wipe, so that was good. So let's decide what we're going to do. I am not absolutely sure which way I want to go, so we'll figure it out. I am actually going to start with Mary King's Close right here. And I'm going to set my primer, the upper portion, with that color. My primer is MAC's Paint Pot And today I'm wearing it in soft ochre. Yeah, that looks nice. That works out great. Since I really like that pretty green, I think I want to use that green and maybe some orange and green. For today, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Frankenstein, which is a matte orange. And I am going to brush that up in the transition area. Blend that all around. Next, I'm going to go into this one right here, which is called Spandau Citadel. I'm going to get that on my Refer number 12 brush, which is my favorite for a crease. And I am going to just apply that in my crease. I'm going to go back with the brush that has a little bit of Frankenstein left on it. I'm going to use that to blend, just so it all looks good together. I didn't add any more color to the brush, just what was left in it. With a clean brush, I'm going to go into Grendel, which is that matte foresty green color. And I'm going to apply that just to the outer edge of my lid, this outer V. Keep it on the lid, not in the crease. I don't want to go in the crease with it. I'm going to take my detail brush in the same color and start working that under my lower lash line. Not all the way over, just about a quarter of the way under the eye. Okay, and that's going to make my eyes really green today, which is fine with me. Next, I'm going to go in with Ghost River, which is that one right there. I'm going to take a smaller brush, just a little smaller, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my lid. Yeah. Pretty. The neutrals in this palette are really pretty, and the pops of color are not crazy. You know, we do have Bloody Mary, but it is not what I would consider a really crazy pop of color. And the purple Krampus is a really pretty, true purple shimmer. I like that. I'm going to use this same brush with the Ghost River and kind of continue under my eye, just lightly like that. Bring it over to meet the green. Now I'm going to use my finger. I prefer a finger with really good shimmers. They stay in place for me, and I think I just get a better payout just using my finger. So I'm going to go into Highgate Cemetery, which is that green. That minty shimmer. You know me, where it's going. Right in the center. I like it, but it's not crazy. It's pretty. I'm going to take a little detail brush. I'm going to go into Hoya Baku Forest. That one I just cannot pronounce. Hoya-Baciu Forest. I don't know where that is, but I'm going to take that and pop it on my inner corner. Give me a little bit of highlight there. That looks good there. Now I'm going to go back in with the brush that I had Frankenstein on, which was the orange. And I'm going to go back in with the first color I used, which was Mary King's Clothes, right there. I'm not cleaning out the brush, but I'm going to get that and just make sure I blend up here, up at my brow. Okay, that is a very fall look. Okay, I'm gonna go finish doing my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. That's the finished look. I am very, very pleased with it. My lipstick is Charlotte Tilbury Walk of a Star. I have a little bit of highlighter on, Ofra The Hills. My blush is Alamar Cosmetics, and it's Seclusion, which is this shade right here. Yeah, that's it. And my mascara is Tartist mascara. So, I like how that turned out. Guys, I have a bonus palette for you because I'm sure you guys shop like I do. Oh, you need this much more and you get free shipping. What do? You buy just this much more. So I picked up another palette so I would have free shipping. And I got, this is under the Nomad Air collection. This one is Oslo. It's a, I believe, a 6-pan palette. Let me get it open here. There we go. That's what it looks like. And it has a mirror, which is nice. Look at those shades. See if we can get that in focus. A little bonus palette. I'll swatch these real quick for you. I'll put them on my hand here. We got Minimal, which is a really pretty light taupe matte. Nordic Cool, which is a real pretty taupey gray shimmer. Natural, which is a matte brown. And again, it's got like a little bit of a taupey matte brown. We've got Practical, another matte. It's a little more smoky. We got Democratic Design, which is another shimmer. It's got, to me, just a hint of pink in it, just a hint. And then last is Functional, which is a matte charcoal brown. There we go. Let's see if we can get these focused for you. Very pretty. So that was my little bonus palette I picked out. This one will be great for travel. I can see me taking this when I go on trips. So guys, thanks for staying to the end, checking out the bonus palette. I'll use that in the future in a Chat to Get Ready with Me for sure. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you want this, the Nomad palette, the Haunted Europe, or if you want Ghost Town, I suggest heading to their website now. Hopefully they're still there. They are limited edition, and when they're sold out, they'll be gone again. So if you want those palettes, go grab them. So guys, again, thanks for watching. See you next time.